This is Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt. Keith Robinson here, checking in for Jamaica.com, Jamaica Smiles. And we're right here, we just got in at Grand Palladium. But before I even go to the check-in counter, I want to introduce you to this very interesting, funny, professional Jamaican tour operator, Herman Holness. Welcome.
Yes, man.
Alright.
Alright.
Herman, tell me 5 things you love about Jamaica.
Well, I love it. I like the things I don't love about it.
Tell me 5 things you love first.
I like to transport people from point A to point B.
What else?
And I like to collect when I work.
Yeah, what
and
else?
I like to enjoy the people that make me laugh and I make them laugh.
Yeah, what else?
You remember, you know.
Look here, he brought me from, he picked me up at the Nutsford Express in Mobay and brought me to Lucy. I didn't have some things and I had to stop on the way, and he was so accommodating. So look here, if you're traveling to Montego Bay, he's right here in Montego Bay, and he travels out to Mobay, outside Montego Bay, so you can get in touch with this tour operator and go ahead and book your travel in and around Montego Bay and outside of Montego Bay with Herman Holness. Look here, tell them say Ashleigh-Ann Mowatt from Jamaicans.com recommended you. And let me just allow him to share his contact information. So how can people reach you, Herman?
Just call me 585-4241.
585-4241. Alright, tell me, Steve Watson said too much killing going on down there. True, man.
Yes.
True.
All you got to do is watch and pray.
Well, that's the solution. Them say you have to watch and pray. Alright, guys, I may check in with you guys for the rest of the weekend. But now I'm going to check in. I need to go and check in by the counter. So, yes, what you call the luggage. So until next